Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a simple hack to create this looped bun hairstyle. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail, and I'm just going to apply some wax spray across the top of the head to help control flyaways and give a little hold. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then to loosen everything up and add a little bit of texture, gently pinch and pull at the hair on top of the head and at the sides. Now I'm going to divide off about 1/4 of the hair in the ponytail and add a clear elastic band a couple of inches down. Next we're going to create a hole above that little elastic band, and we're going to flip the ends of that section underneath and back through the hole, but only pull it part way through. So you've created a bundle of 3 little loops just by doing this. Hold this to the head and secure each little loop with a bobby pin. Take the same size section again, and we're just going to repeat the same steps. So add your elastic band a couple of inches down and create your hole just above it. Pass those ends underneath and back through the hole to create your little bundle of loops. Hold them to the head, and we can pinch and pull them to help fill in any gaps and secure them with as many bobby pins as needed. Divide the remaining hair in half, and again add your elastic band and create your little hole above it. Start passing those tail ends underneath and back through the hole to create a little bundle of loops and secure with a few pins. Then just repeat the same steps on the last section. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Once you've got everything pinned in place, just tuck any tail ends underneath and secure with a pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.